Have you ever heard an entrepreneur or an investor use the term full ratchet dilution?
What?
If you have and didn't know what they meant, that's what we're here today to talk about. Here's the textbook definition. Full ratchet is a provision that protects shareholders from any dilution of their investment in subsequent funding rounds. The provision guarantees that if an equity invested sold in a subsequent funding round decreases the original investor's equity percentage, they will then be compensated by receiving additional shares sufficient to maintain their percentage of ownership at its original level. Whew. Let's break this down to plain speak. What this means is if you've sold 10% of your company in the first round of investment, the next time you go out for funding, you will have to issue new shares to that original investor so they maintain their percentage ownership, that 10%. I've seen this too, written as potentially only if a company has a down round. That means if a startup is struggling and they go back to investors with a lower valuation than they raised at the first time. Now, if you see this provision and offer from an investor into your startup, you can be pretty sure the investor is wary of the deal. This isn't too common. As an entrepreneur, you shouldn't welcome this position, and if you've seen it, you probably know the investor's being a little hostile.
It's just not right. That's messed up.
I would negotiate hard to get the provision out of the investment offer, and if they won't, I would potentially walk away from the deal. So, full ratchet provisions and investment offer into your startup, this is not good. No bueno. Do it only if you need it. If you like that tip and are interested in more entrepreneurship tips and tricks, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be the first to know when the next video drops. I'll see you in the next vid. Ciao.